I today gonna be introduce you a short video demo about how we're gonna use this control panel. First of all, let's check on the front page. This is a 4 inches screen with the 2 mics on the front. It's not only support for touch, but also support for voice control. And on the front page, we have 2 shortcuts. You can say this is to device, and I named this Bob Orange and a switch banana to easy remember. This is the shortcuts you can also to delete and add the sign or device you like to control as well. So this is totally personal. You can make DIY on here. And also not only as a control panel, it also has a multi-modal gateway. It supports for Zigbee and Bluetooth Mesh gateway. If you believe this is not enough, you scroll down the page, you will be seeing more device and saying next page. So this is what we call next page. This is totally for you to just to personalize your experience about which one you want to control. You can take this, for example, you can delete, and also you can add. Here. So this is the the front page, and you just on the right, you will see all the devices here. Let's take this for example. This is a bathroom switch. You just continue to just on the right, you'll be able to say for different multimedia devices like the camera, the doorbell, and also it just supports for the control panel interactions. Like the IP camera, you connect it to the camera, and also you can start talking to the microphone. And also if someone on the door, they push the doorbell button, and for the control panel, you will say who's on the door, you can answer or just hang up. If I answer it, hi, hello, you can start a conversation with the doorbell. And also in the case that you want to talk into other rooms, that if the other rooms has the smart control panel installed, you can also give a call to different rooms through the panel. You can realize that there's actually the different panels can connect each other through the phone calls. Okay, for this bulb, you can turn on and turn off, and also you'll be able to adjust the color and the brightness. And as I mentioned, this works as voice assistant, so it's a support for Alexa. Alexa, turn on the orange.
Okay.
Alexa, set the orange to green.
Okay.
Alexa, brighten the orange.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the orange.
Okay.
And also, you can ask Alexa, play music.
Okay. Here's iHeartRadio.
Alexa, stop.